All right, what's going on, guys? Vinny here, back with another video. In this video, guys, I want to do a recap for this week using the G.S.A strategy, guys. I'm going to show you how powerful this strategy is. So let's get started off with Euro GBP 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, we had a signal. Let me go ahead and turn on the indicator for you guys. All right, so we had a cheat code buy signal here. Okay. Same exact thing on the 1 hour, just waited for the break and retest and hopped on that trade. As you guys can see here, Euro GBP is a screenshot of where I got in at on that trade. This has been moving up slowly this week. Okay, I've been holding this trade for since Tuesday. Today's Thursday, but we're almost at target. So hopefully we'll get there tonight during London session. We'll get to that target. All right, so I'm looking at about 54 pips for Euro GBP. All right, the next trade that I called out in our group is for G.A. Let's go to G.A. And G.A, again, as you guys can see, here's a screenshot of when I entered my position into G.A. here and also down here. Thought price would continue down, but it pulled back, so I'm in a little bit of drawdown. And I shouldn't have took that position there, but that's totally fine. I still look for GA to drop. I'm going to continue to hold until it reaches my target, or I'm happy with the profit. Either or would be fine for GA. Again, this is using the G.S.A strategy, guys. Signal on a 4-hour time frame, 1 hour break and retest. Okay, as you guys can see there. All right, and I'm going to show you in a moment all the trades I caught out in the Telegram group, in our paid Telegram group. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to GU. GU, it's another trade that I took. Here is the screenshot where I got in at on GU. I got in right here. Okay, I did close this trade in profit. All right, big time profit, about 2,600. And here's the move right here. We got about GU dropped about 144 pips. Okay, and this is again using the G.S.A strategy, which you guys can see here. We got a price went outside the bands on a 4-hour time frame. We didn't get a cheat code sell signal, but again, we had an extreme in the market. Got a cheat code sell signal on the 1-hour time frame. All right, and we took that trade and profited off of the G.S.A strategy. Okay, next one that we took is GJ. Also closed this one out in profit. I had a great entry on GJ, as you guys can see here. Let me show you my entry. Here's where I entered in at. Okay, right at the very tip top. Thanks to the cheat code, guys. Thanks to the cheat code. All right, I entered a little earlier on this position. And I'll turn on the indicator so you guys can see. We had a cheat code sell signal on the 4-hour time frame. And that's where I got in at, guys. I got in a little earlier. That's how confident I was in the cheat code signal. Okay, so many of you who don't have the cheat code yet may be asking, how do you avoid false signals? Well, none of the signals are false on the cheat code. You may get multiple signals, but there's a strategy that we use, G.S.A strategy, that keeps you out of bad trades or getting in trades too early. Okay, using this strategy, but I was able to get in early and price melted away. I did close this trade out in profit also. So there are 4 trades I just showed you guys using the G.S.A strategy that I have profited from. Now let me show you guys where I caught these trades out in the Telegram group. Okay, so you guys can see this. 1 second. I'm trying to bring up the Telegram group, and I'll move it over here. All right, as you guys can see, here's where I closed those trades out. GJ for 2,600, GU also for 2,600. So I had a profit of 5,000. I'm still holding Euro GBP and also GA. Okay. So I'm just waiting for those to get into profit. But here are the trades that I called out. Okay. So you guys can see on the date, Euro GBP, GSA setup forming, told everyone, GBP AUD. Okay. Also GJ and also GU. Okay. And these trades were called out on the 21st, on Tuesday. All right, so these were swing trades. So if you got in on these trades, you could have held these trades for a couple days. But that is the power of the G.S.A strategy, guys. All right, so make sure you grab the cheat code system. All right, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, be sure to leave them in the comment box below. Cheat code will be going up in price March 1st. So now is the time to get it, guys. The strategy works, as you guys can see. It is undeniable. If you continue to use this strategy, guys, you will profit more than you lose using this strategy, okay? It is a very profitable strategy. The key thing to remember is that you got to have disciplines and you have to have patience to wait for your setup, okay? This whole entire year, guys, I'm only focusing on A+ setups I know that's going to go in my direction, and that's what I'm going to wait for. Other than that, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.